Need your Taptap Send money in your bank account fast? Let's dive right in and transfer your funds from Taptap Send into your bank account in a few simple steps. First, open the Taptap Send app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. At the home screen, you should see your available balance and various sending options. Next, tap on the Receive button. This is the one that facilitates bringing your funds to you from there. Select Bank Account as your receiving method. This is the option you need to get the money deposited directly into your account. Now, you'll need to link your bank details. This usually involves entering the name of your bank, your bank account number, and sometimes even your routing number, and the account name is displayed and confirmed. Carefully double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Errors here can delay or even prevent your transfer. The app may prompt you to verify your new bank account, which could involve checking a small deposit or confirmation message from your bank. Once everything is confirmed, you should see a screen confirming that your bank account has been successfully linked. After the bank is linked, you will be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Enter the precise amount you wish to withdraw from your Taptap Send balance. You can typically see the conversion rate and any associated fees on this screen. Make sure to factor those in. And once you're ready, tap the button to initiate your transfer. Finally, you'll get a confirmation receipt detailing the transfer, its status, and when you can expect the money to arrive in your account. Standard times typically take a few business days, so be patient. Keep an eye on your bank account. And that's it. Easy access to your Taptap Send funds.